just bought another one. Picked up this, I think it's about a 2015 or 2016 SSR 125. Same as my other one. There's a few things wrong with it. First time I looked at it, engine didn't run, or it wouldn't start up, but tried a few days ago, and I was able to get it to run for about 15 seconds before it died out. So it is in running condition. It can run. It probably just needs a little touch-up work. And that's what I'll go over right now. So just the basics. New spark plug and oil change. Throw some new gas in there. New fuel or new air filter for sure. I'm thinking about replacing the carb. I might just clean it out. New fuel filter. And that should clear up all the problems I'm having with it running. Other miscellaneous things, as you can see, the clutch lever is broken, so pick one of those up. Come around here. This brake lever, well, not really the brake lever, just the hydraulic system. That glass is shattered there, so brake fluid is just gonna leak out of there, so I'm gonna pick up a new assembly here. Shouldn't be too much money. New chain. Definitely this thing is rusted to shit. This thing had an upgraded suspension put on it, and I think this extender here. So it's sitting a little high right now. I honestly might take this off and put it on mine. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see how it rides, but that's a good thing. And other than that, it should be fine. Just aesthetic stuff, you know. Maybe there's some surface rust on the exhaust here and on the forks, so I'll touch that up. And the plastics are a little faded. I'm probably gonna take the stickers off and paint them anyway. Just like bolts here, but I can pick one of those up easily. You know, tires are getting a little bald, but I don't think it's too much of a deal because this bike isn't gonna be ridden too hard. Some rust around there. I'll have to check that out. Throw some air in the tires probably. I mean, rims are a little rusted. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything with them. I might paint them or something. I was told that this hub assembly could be a little bent, messed up. I'll have to get it up on a stand and look at it. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I'm picking this bike up for about $200, and I'm probably not gonna spend more than $100 on it. So I guess $300 pit bike build, and I'll keep you guys updated on it.